This huge branch broke off my sycamore tree today. I didn't know what to do. Gotta buy a chainsaw. So I looked at the HomeLite 14-inch 9 amp, the very small electric chainsaw. I said, you know, I'll try it out. It's made butter out of this sycamore tree. Took me about 5 minutes to cut the stem in pieces. 5 minutes. So if any doubts about 14-inch 9 amp small motor, look what it can do to a sycamore branch. And this tree here is probably 300 feet. So hats off to HomeLite. Bought this at Home Depot. Awesome. HomeLite.